If you've lost sending privileges on Discord, whether due to a service setting or a personal issue, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you regain your ability to send messages. Step 1. Check server rules. Review the server rules and guidelines to ensure you haven't violated any policies that could lead to restrictions on your messaging privileges. Step 2. Contact server admin. Reach out to the server administrator or moderators directly. Explain your situation and ask if they can restore your sending privileges. Step 3. Verify account status. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. Go to your user settings and check your privacy settings. Ensure that you haven't accidentally muted the server or restricted your ability to send messages. Step 5. Rejoin the server. If all else fails, consider leaving and rejoining the server. Sometimes this can reset your permissions and restore your ability to send messages. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Discord. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.